SwingMax, an AI-powered swing trading tool that makes spotting opportunities and managing risk a breeze. The dashboard's top row tells you everything you need to know at a glance. How often trades profit, what returns to expect, and how many new chances popped up today. Let's dig into real trades from the close list to see SwingMax in action. Take Tevagan Bioholdings Inc. first. We bought at the buy target. As the price climbed, it hit sell target 1, so we sold 40% to lock in early gains. Then when it reached sell target 2, we sold another 30%. Finally, once the price hit last exit, we cleared out the remaining 30%. That's how we secure profits in stages without letting gains slip away. But if it dips after buying, now look at this case, we bought at the buy target, but the price dropped instead of rising. When it hit the stop loss, we sold everything right then. This is how we cut losses fast so they don't get bigger. Best part? Plug these AI numbers into your trading platform for auto trades, no emotion, just strategy. And if you want to prioritize opportunities, just sort by what matters. Newest, most potential, whatever. Markets move fast though. Keep tabs on AI signals to adapt as new scenarios pop up. Our AI will update targets or flag new opportunities so you maximize returns. Simple as that. That's it. SwingMax turns swing trading from confusing to clear. Perfect for beginners. Give it a try.